Hello hunters and welcome back to GreedHunterAcademy. This is the lecture 3 in the series of VS Code Mastery. In this video, we will see how to run C++ code in VS Code editor. To run C++ code in VS Code, we need to follow 3 simple steps. First, we need to install a compiler. But wait, why do we need a compiler? Since VS Code is a lightweight code editor, so it cannot convert your C++ source code into a machine code. That is why we need a compiler. Once we install a compiler, then we will set its path to environment variables and then we can verify the installation via this command. Step 2 is to download a VS Code. If you have not downloaded VS Code yet, then check out our first video in this series that explain how to download VS Code in simple steps. Step 3 is to install extensions in VS Code. We will install C++ and Code Runner extensions. These extensions ease our work in writing and running the code. So let us begin with the very first step to install MinGW compiler. For that, open your browser and search for MinGW. Hit enter. Click on the very first link of sourceforge.net. Click on it and click on this green download button and it will automatically start your download within 3 seconds. To see your download, click Ctrl plus J. Okay. Our file is already downloaded since it is only 84 or 85 KB, so it didn't take much time. Double click on this file to begin your installation. Let us minimize everything and only focus on installation part. Now click on this install and keep your location default to C directory and click continue. Now it will take some time to download all resources based on your internet speed. Okay, so the downloads are completed. Now click on continue and here you will see a pop-up from MinGW that says what you want to install. So we will check this developer tools and mark for installation and the MinGW base mark for installation and come to this MinGW G++, check this for installation too and GCC Object-C, click this for installation too. After checking all this, come here to installation section, click on it and apply changes. Click on apply. Now this will take a bunch of 10 to 15 minutes based on your internet speed again, so it will download many resources. Till then, sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Okay, so everything is downloaded. You can close this dialog box and also close this pop-up. Now let us verify is our compiler is installed successfully or not. For that, open your command prompt and type g++ version. It is saying that g++ is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means we are missing something. Remember, we need to add this path to environment variables. So open your file explorer, go to C drive and click MinGW bin and copy this path. Now press Windows key and search for environment variables, hit enter. Click on environment variables and come to system variables, double click on path and click here new. Now paste your path that you have copied, click OK, OK and again OK. So now let us verify again. Open command prompt, type g++ version. Okay, so g++ is installed correctly. Now check for gcc also, gcc version. Okay, so our compiler is installed successfully. Now next step is to download VS Code. So you can check our first video to install vsCode. Now we are moving with the third step. Open your vsCode editor in any of the location you want and click this icon to create a file. I will name it as greeddemo.c. Now create one more file, greeddemo.cpp. Okay, so we will check both C and C++ files. But before checking, come here on the left panel and click on this extensions icon. Search for C++, hit enter, and download this C++ extension pack by Microsoft. Click on it and install it. Okay, so the extension pack is installed, and with that you can see C++ themes and dev tools are also installed because we have installed the extension pack that covers everything. Okay, come back to the file. Now here let us make a C program. Also make a C++ program. Now open your terminal to run this file. My terminal is already open. You can toggle your terminal with Ctrl and J. Now to run this file, click G++ and the file name. Make sure we are using G++ for the C++ extension, that is CPP. Hit enter. Now it will create an exe file. You can see over here a.exe is being created. This is a machine code. You cannot read this file. So if I open it anyway, so this is a garbage, you cannot read it. Now to run this exe file, come to terminal and type a.exe. That is your file name. Hit enter and it will provide you the output as human readable form. So hello from GreedHunterAcademy. Now we will run this C file, but before that I will delete this a.exe file because it will overwrite when I compile this C file. Now type gcc and the file name. This time we are using gcc with the .c extension. Hit enter and again you can see that a.exe file has been created. Now again run that file a.exe, hit enter and you can see the output again in human readable form. If by chance your gcc and g++ command are not working in vsCode, then refresh your vsCode, close it and again reopen it. Everything will be working fine. Okay. Now instead of writing this code and it will provide a exe file and then we need to execute that file again. So this is a 3-step process. Instead that we can use a code runner. So what is code runner? A code runner is an extension that helps running your code in simple steps. So in extension search bar, search for code runner. Click on this and install this extension. Come back to your file and delete this a.exe once again. Now here you can see this play icon. Click on this drop down and you can see this run code option. You can also run it via Ctrl Alt plus N. So I will click here run code and it will provide you the output in the output tab, not in the terminal. Before we are getting the output in the terminal, but now with code runner we will get the output in the output tab. And you can see greeddemo.exe is also been created. So that is how you run C++ code in vsCode with the help of MinGW compiler. So thank you. Have a great day.